along the rivers of America and into the American frontier.
There's like a stray cat.
More than a century ago.
It's like licking itself on the table.
With natural beauty and wildlife, you can see why the early settlers were inspired to move west.
Yeah, especially while the water's drained out.
Like many of them did, from the comfort of a genuine steam-powered train. When these iron horses first started crisscrossing the country in the 1800s, the time it took folks to reach the west dropped from months to a matter of days.
Deer, big deer,
Why,
elk.
steam power not only fueled the train, but the dreams of a whole new generation.
I remember when someone told us it was like 20 feet deep.
No, see from the top of there to the bottom, that's probably a good. That's at least 6 feet. Look at that. Oh. What the heck? What the hell?
The hell?
We will have gone completely around on this train.
Yeah, but not completely around because we had to stop.
That's where they load the cattle. That's where they rot and sell. Wow. This is where they load all the lads, the doghouse, Indiana's neighborhood.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome aboard Excursion 3 on the Disneyland Railroad. We're currently steaming our way
there's
towards
the
Toontown
Festival of
Depot,
Fools stage.
Gateway to Fantasyland, and Mickey's Toontown.
It's a show that they
Just a reminder,
stop,
folks,
but they don't
Mickey's
use the
Toontown will be
space
closed
anymore.
tonight at around 8:30. In
Some-
preparation for our fireworks
Like on
spectacular, which
Hunchback
sets you off
show,
at
but they stopped
9:25.
it and they don't put anything there anymore.
Fantasyland is your stop for It's a Small World and the Matterhorn bobsled. If this is your stop, please remain seated until this
We
train
can stop
comes to
here
a
and
full
just go
complete
there.
stop. On behalf of everyone here at the Disneyland Railroad, we hope you enjoy the rest of your stay here at Walt Disney's original Magic Kingdom.
Yeah.
Have you ever wondered what it would be like to visit the cartoon town where Mickey, Minnie, Donald, and Goofy live? Well, in just a few moments you can find out for yourself, because our next stop is Toontown Depot, official train station for Mickey's Toontown. This is also the nearest stop to Fantasyland, where you'll find many of your favorite Disney animated characters and stories. If you'll be leaving us here, please wait until the train comes to a full stop. Remember your personal belongings, then step carefully from the train. Y'all have fun and say hi to
Some
Mickey.
princess.
For those of you continuing on, we'll be resuming.